The challenge is telegram, that is we have to convert a string to Morse code. So actually telegram is one of the oldest method of communication that was used for transferring text message from one location to another location through wire. So telegram, today you find some networking website, social networking website, that is telegram. But actually telegram was the oldest technology that was used for transferring text message. So this is a telegram device you can see here on the right hand side. So this was the device which used to have one button, and the person who is sending a text message will use this device. He can press the button. So there are two methods of pressing a button, that is short press or a long press. And the other side, the receiving end, will play a bell, that is a short bell or a long bell press. So by the combination of a short press and long press, or short bell or long bell, the receiver will decode it and understand that message. So here for our program, we will take dot as short press and a dash or underscore we take it as long press. Once again, dot as short press and underscore or dash as long press. We will consider this one. So you can see here in the chart for A, there is a code given, that is dot and dash, single dot and single dash. B is dash dot dot dot, 3 dots, and C is dash dot dash dot. So you can see the codes here. For all the English alphabets, the codes are given, and even for numbers and the special characters also, the codes are given. So these codes are predefined. That is, dot means short press and dash means long press. So in olden days, when a person has to send a message from one place to another place, and suppose he has to send a text, like for example, text is deface, then he will convert these alphabets into codes. D is replaced with dash dot dot from this chart you can see, and E with just one dot, and F with dot dot dash dot. So in this way, all the letters from this text are converted into codes. So I will write on here, D means dash dot dot, E means just dot, F means dot dot dash dot, and A means dot and then dash, and C means dash dot dash dot, then again the gap, then E means dot. So this is how this text message is converted into these codes, and the person will use this device for sending this message, that is long press, short press, then a pause for a little bit, then again a short press, then again a pause for a little bit, then short press. So in this way, he will use these codes for transferring the message. The other person, the other end, the receiver, will hear the bell and he will follow the codes and he will decode it back again into alphabets. This means D and this means E and this means F. He will follow the chart and convert. So the same chart he will use on the other end and he will convert them into alphabets. So this is A and this is C and this is E. So he will get the complete word. So these codes are called as Morse codes. So I have explained you about the old technology, that was telegram, that is having encoding and decoding here. The alphabets are encoded into some dash and dots, and again they can be decoded back to the actual word. So this example is for encoding and decoding. Now you have to write a Python program. So what you have to do is, you have to replace a given string, this deface, into the Morse string. So you have to prepare this string. So for D, you should get the codes from the chart, and for E, you should get the code from the chart. So you can prepare the codes in the form of a list here. You can see the list. So this is index 0 is for A, index 1 is for B, index 2 is for C, and 3 is for E, and so on. I have taken up to alphabets J. So this is A and this is B, C, D, and E, F, G, H, I, J. I have taken up to J. So if you take the indices, this runs up to 9. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have taken actually 10 alphabets. So I have used a string also that is using the alphabets from these 10 alphabets only. So you have to write a Python program, prepare this list of Morse codes for 10 alphabets, or if you want to make for entire chart, you can make it, and then take a string and convert a string into this Morse code string. This is your challenge. And one more important thing, here there are no lower cases and upper cases, just there are single case, so this is case neutral. You can say whether you write uppercase or lowercase, the code is same, that is dot and dash. Now you can try the program. So I'll give you some idea here for the program. So I'll just remove this one. The idea is you have to scan through this string. And when you take any alphabet, you can find out the ASCII code for this alphabet. ASCII code for this alphabet. So if you call a function ord of D, you will get the ASCII code for lowercase. Take the string in lowercase only. Otherwise, you can change it to lowercase and find out these things. Okay. So the ASCII code of D is 100. And what is the ASCII code of A? ORD of A, letter A, so this should be in quotes because it's an alphabet. So letter A is 97. So if you subtract 97 from 100, you will get 3. So if you go to index 3, you will find the codes for letter D. This is the hint I am giving you. So once again I am telling you, you have to scan through this string, take each alphabet and find out its matching Morse code here. So for Morse code, you have to go to a proper index. So how to find out its index? So from the ASCII code of any letter, if you subtract 97, you will get the index. That's enough. So now you pause the video and you write down the program by yourself. Okay. And if you want to see the solution, you can continue watching the video. So pause the video now and write down the program. Now here's the program. Already I have all the Morse code for 10 alphabets here in this list. And then I have a text that I have to convert or encode it in Morse code. So now I will prepare a string that is Morse str. And initially this is empty. So this is what I have to prepare. So I can scan through this text and I can take each letter and find out its code, and I will concatenate it with the Morse string. So for that I will scan through this text for X in text. Now what I have to do every time is I have to find out the Morse code for a given letter X. So ORD of X will give you the ASCII code, then subtract 97, you will get the index for that particular letter. So you have to take it from codes. So this is codes. So codes of the index. So what is that? ASCII code of a letter minus 97, you will get the index. For example, D is 100, 100 minus 97, you will get index 3. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. This is for D. So this I should concatenate into Morse code. So I will say Morse str plus a sign. So I should concatenate with Morse string. That's all. Then after every code, I should also give a gap. So I should give some space. So I will give a space. So after concatenating this one, I'm also giving a space. After this, just print whatever the Morse code or Morse string you have got. Now run the program. Yeah, here dash dot 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 dash dot, then dot dash, so on. So you are getting all these letters or the text converted into Morse code. Just you can match and compare this one and find out if it's correct or not. And every code is separated by a space. So that's it. So we have converted a text message to some codes. So now we got the idea how to convert any text to some code. You can encode it like this. So that's all in this video. So if you have any questions, you can ask me in question answer section.